we made this film 2 years ago, and that was after the pandemic, and we had to go through a lot of restrictions, and we are really glad that we are able to showcase now yung film namin na pinaghirapan namin noon.
The main purpose of this film exhibition was actually to gather Ilocano filmmakers, not just in Ilocos Norte, but some of them came here to, be with us, and then to, of course, showcase what culture they have in their provinces or in their communities, and then it's up to actually the audience to really appreciate these Ilocano films.
As a communication student, it has always been part of my advocacy as a student council president of the College of Arts and Sciences to uplift culture in the college, as we all know that we are the College of Arts and Sciences and it should be part of it.
Dapat ipagpatuloy talaga to. So looking forward to the second edition para na mas ma-push and ma-support yung filmmakers din dito.
For sure that this exhibition will be a motivation to other filmmakers, especially our young, because we have a lot of talented filmmakers here in the province.
This is what we need to grow and evolve the practice of filmmaking, and hopefully this will be emulated by others.